Good evening, everybody. Matt Troyce here, and tonight I'm going to show you how to make mashed cauliflower. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. We're going to use a whole cauliflower. We're going to chop up the cauliflower. No need to make it finely chopped, but make sure it's cut up evenly. Now we're going to transfer the cauliflower into a boiling pot of water, where it's going to boil for approximately 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, it's time to strain the cauliflower. Now we're going to put the cauliflower back into the same pot where we can add the ingredients. We're going to add a quarter stick of butter, black pepper, and some garlic salt, and 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Now to blend it. Look at that. Mashed cauliflower. Fast and easy, simple to make. It tastes so good. This literally has about 2 net carbs per cup, as opposed to potatoes, which equate to 35 grams of carbs per cup. Can't go wrong with mashed cauliflower. Mashed cauliflower? You can't go wrong. I mean, I grew up loving mashed potatoes, but now you have something that tastes just like mashed potatoes without the carbs. Literally, 2 net carbs per serving. Forget about it. Check out all my other videos as well. Ketogenic recipes, workout video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.